Today we will load two big machines, and I will be very honored to introduce how we load into the big machines into a container and how we dispatch them. Please follow my cameras now. Look, this machine the gantry has been taken off from the machine body. Because the machine is too long, you can see it is more than 5 meters long and too wide. It is about 2.2 meters wide, so it cannot be packed into the wooden box and loaded into container. So in order to ship, we have to take off the gantry, and now the gantry has been taken off, and then we will put the gantry onto the table. Then we ship it. Now my technician is do the final testing about the cable, about the screws, and about everything. When the machine delivers, we will check every ball screws, just like here. We all use the red paint to check all the screws. It means it has been fixed already, and no need to lose it. And even in future, the screw lose off, you just turn it to the right place, then it will be okay. So look, all the screws, not here, just here, right? Even for the racks. In order to keep the block safety, we will use the tips to fix them. Then when the customer receives it, they just take off the tips, then everything can be okay. Look, now we are using the plastic to cover the spindle to protect it. Now it's for the gantry, for packaging our. Now the gantry is put on the table. So we are using the tips to fix it in order to not move. When the machine needed to take off the gantry, there are some points we need to clarify. First, we need to protect. Look, we need to protect the spindle, the gantry, the Z-axis. We use foam to protect it. And the second, the gantry. We need to put something to focus, to provide, to support the gantry. Look, and make sure the gantry support is just on the, look here, you can see the screw, it means there is gantry support. It must be the gantry support. You cannot lay the gantry on the table directly.